Hi everyone, my name is Bharat. Welcome back to my channel Code with Bharat. Today we are discussing a problem. Divide a string into groups of size k. The problem tells divide the string into groups of size k, which means the look at the example one. Input given string s a b c d e f g h I and k is equal to 3, which means a group have three elements. If a group does not have three elements, then you have to fill x value. Here given fill x value. So explanation. The first three characters ABC from the first group. Condition is condition is good. The next three characters DEF from second group. Condition good. Last three characters GHI from third group is condition good. So we no need to fill the x value. Here, example 2, you can see A, B, C, same I, J, I, J, K is equal to 3 and fill X element. Similar to previous example, we are forming the first three groups. For the last group, we can only use the character J from this string to complete this group. We add X twice. Thus, the four groups form A, B, C, D, F, G, H. So, I think you understand what problem is. So, we read the problem. A string S can be partitioned into groups of size k using the following procedure. The first group consists of first k characters of the string. The second group consists of next k characters of the string, and so on. Each element can be part of exactly one group. And second point is for the last group, if the string does not have k characters remaining, a character fill is used to complete the group. So x is the fill character. Note that the partition is done so that after removing the fill character from the last group, if it exists and concatenating all groups in order, and resulting string should be yes. Okay. Given the string yes, the size of each group k and the character fill. Return a string error denoting the composite of every group as has been divided into using the above procedure. Okay, understand. So this is the problem. So we have to initialize a result to store the groups of elements. Then let me think. mm, then initialize for loop in the string. Start with 0, end with length, the s and k. Why I written k is it returns first element is start and next one is end and k is step, which means it iterates 3 after 3, like 3, 6, 9, 9 after 12, not regular 0, 1, 2, 3. Hope you understand. It is step. Next, we have to found a group. Why group is to know value. It's like using slicing. So understand why I written, which means it is three elements structure size three elements. Then what tells it if group is less than k, we fill x. So we have to check group is less than k or greater than k. So if length of yes, sorry, length of yes, not length of group, length of group less than k, if then we have to fill group fill fill mean fill element is x into how many times k minus length of group. Then come out the if condition and next append group append group into result, then return result. See, see the problem runs without errors. So this is how we can tackle this type of problems. Divide is divide. So here we check topics is string and simulation. The problem comes under topic of string and simulation. I I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye.